In today's video, I'll show you how you can make $950 a day copying and pasting YouTube and Google links. No face, no voice. Besties, imagine making $950 a day by just copying and pasting trending Google News articles or viral YouTube video links. No filming, no speaking, no experience needed. And guess what? A 10-year-old can actually do this. And I'll show you step by step. Yes, and I'll give you real life examples. And I will even show you proof of earnings so you know that this is legit. Now, drop $950 a day in the comments to start manifesting this success. Come with me. Let's go. Guys, trending videos and viral topics blow up because people are already searching for them. Example, faceless YouTube channel. There's a faceless YouTube channel making $177,000 a month. A channel called Viral Now. Yes, go check it out. They have over 770,000 subscribers and they earn up to $177,000 a month just by posting trending content. Another one is Brightside channel. Guys, Brightside has 44 million subscribers and they earn anywhere between $72,000 and $216,000 every month. And today I'm showing you exactly how you can do this too. First thing you need to do, step one, is to find viral content. Google News is your friend. YouTube is also your friend. We'll be using these two resources. YouTube viral video. So go to any faceless educational channel like TEDED. They have 20 million subscribers. Click on videos. Yes, popular, to find the viral ones. Then choose a video with 1 million views. Copy the link. Yes. For example, for TED Ed video, what if you didn't drink water? It has 22 million views. Then go to Google News, trending articles. Search for Google News. Pick a trending article, copy the URL of that article, not the content. Then create AI generated videos. Yes, copy and paste magic. So guys, we are using InVideo AI to create videos in minutes. So go to InVideo AI. You can find the link in the description. Then create AI video. Enter this simple command. Create a 2-minute animated video for YouTube using this YouTube video. Then you paste the link. Then click generate video. Boom. InVideo AI creates a brand new animated video. And guess what? AI voiceovers. No need to record. You can change voices, accents, or even clone your own voice. That is it. All done. Besties, if you think this is amazing, just comment wow in the comments. Yes, so now the next step is posting and scaling to $950 a day. Now let's turn this into a money making machine. Go ahead and create a faceless YouTube channel. If you are new here, check the, introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Thank you for always sharing my videos. I see you guys and I truly appreciate you. God bless you. So besties, after you create a YouTube channel, upload videos regularly. For trending news, post multiple times a day, 1 to 3 minimum videos. Yes, 1 to 3 videos. For educational content, you post 1 to 3 times per week, like 5 to 7 videos. For example, I have a channel that hits 100,000 views in just 2 days, and one of my other videos, one of the videos went viral. 100,000 views in just 2 days. And here is actually how you get paid. You get paid through YouTube monetization, through AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, YouTube will pay you per 1,000 views. For example, one viral video can be 100,000 views, which is $500 a day, and it can be more than that, most definitely. Yes, now you can also use other income streams like affiliate links. Yes, you can have the link to AI tools, sponsorship. Yes, sponsorships. And you can also have a blog as well. You can repurpose your content for more revenue. Guys, you can try any of them. Which of these methods actually stand out for you? Which of them are you going to try out? And here is my final words for you. Make sure that you take action. It's not just a side hustle, it's a life-changing business. You don't need a camera, you don't need to talk, you just need to start. So drop $950 a day in the comments if you are ready to take action today. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on my next money making strategy. So guys, like I said, if you're new here, introduce yourselves while I also introduce myself. yourself as well. This is not just one random channel. This is your channel. It is our channel. So I need you guys to introduce yourselves, because I'm building a community here and we are here to help each other grow all the way to the top. So besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTube creator. Yes, I'm a content creator and a YouTube coach. I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize it from the very first day. So guys, this and so many more, I have a lot of strategies for you guys to make money. So please make sure that you don't miss out on it for anything. So I see you guys in my next video. Keep winning and keep sparkling for your girl Chassis. But wait, hold on. I have a giveaway that is still ongoing. It is still currently ongoing. And if you want to take part in the giveaway, guys, all you need to do is to join my Telegram community. Yes, go ahead and join my Telegram community and then add 50 people into my Telegram community, and then you can win my $100 cash gifts. Yes, I'm doing a $100 giveaway, so you can do that as well. And if you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, go ahead and find the link in the description as well as in the comments. Yes, to book a one-on-one consultation with me, you have to join my Patreon membership, and then we can discuss all things money, we can discuss all things grants, business, and everything in between. Yes, there is also a bonus tip. So thank you for watching all the way till this point. You know, you didn't just click on this video by accident. It is divine, by divine, arrangements by God, definitely. So there is this app that I want you guys, don't sleep on this app. It's an app, it's a website. So if you don't have to download any app, you can just go on the website. It is called nextdoor.com. Nextdoor.com is an app is a website that connects you with your neighbors. So you only need to get 1% of the market share. Convert 1% of the people there into clients, and you are set up forever and ever and ever. So Nextdoor is that app where you don't even need to build any kind of connection or relationship with people. You can just go on Nextdoor, introduce yourself, and tell them the products or services that you offer, and that is it. In my opinion, I think Nextdoor has replaced Facebook ads. In my opinion, Nextdoor has replaced Facebook ads, because it is the next big thing. In my opinion, you get paying clients like without running ads on Nextdoor. Paying clients without running ads, guys. I've been in business for quite a while. I know how tough it is to even secure one client. Nextdoor is a gold mine for clients, and if it is something that you have never tried before, I think you should give it a try. Nextdoor is something that no one is talking about, and it's not saturated yet. Like, no one even knows about it, but this is like my own personal discovery. I tell you, I hire people on Nextdoor and I find clients on Nextdoor. It's a two-way thing. The same way I get clients on Nextdoor, the same way people also get clients, other people also get clients on Nextdoor. Nextdoor is a place where, I assume that you have maybe 100,000 people in your neighborhood or your community, and if you can get just 1% of that figure, you are set up. 1% of that is 1,000 people. If you have 1,000 clients from your neighborhood, from Nextdoor, guys, you are good to go. So guys, I leave you with this. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I'm so proud of you. Please go ahead and start making money today, and let me also go ahead and make some money today as well. Till I see you guys in my next video, keep winning and keep sparkling for your girl Chassis. Bye.